Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to do quarterback scramble in college football 27. It's really easy to do. Once you have snapped the ball, drop back as normal and look for your passing options. If none of your receivers are open or you see an open lane in front of you, you can take off and run with your quarterback. Simply move the left stick in the direction that you want to run. Your quarterback will automatically begin scrambling once you leave the pocket and start moving downfield. If you want to sprint and pick up extra yards, hold R2 on PlayStation or R2 on Xbox while running. This will let your quarterback accelerate and take advantage of open space. Be careful when scrambling because quarterbacks are more vulnerable to big hits when running. It's usually a good idea to slide before defenders make contact to avoid fumbling or risking an injury. QB scrambles are most effective when the defense is focused on covering your receivers, giving you plenty of room to run and extend the play. That's all you need to do. Move the left stick to run with your quarterback and hold R2 on PlayStation or R2 on Xbox to sprint to successfully QB scramble in college football 27. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.